Ciao ragazzi! So I am back in Puglia! No, I'm not, just kidding. This is Lake Michigan. It's also not shabby. So here's little Serafina. Sta dormendo. Sta dormendo perché ho cantato qualcosa per lei. I sang her to sleep, and I just thought, how fun would it be to share this song with my patrons? I know a lot of you are Italy lovers and a lot of you are studying the language. So I thought I would share my favorite Italian nursery rhyme with you. It is called La Bella Lavanderina, which is like the beautiful little washer girl. And it goes like this. La bella lavanderina che lavi fazzoletti per I poveretti della città. Fai un salto, fanne un altro, guarda in su, guarda in giù, dai un bacio a chi vuoi tu. Mwah! So then, of course, I kiss Serafina at the dai un bacio, give a kiss. And then I'll usually sing it one more time, but I'll change the words, and instead of saying La Bella Lavanderina, I'll say La Bella Serafina, because she is bella. È bellissima. Okay, that's all I want to say. Hello, and I hope you're all well. Love you. Ciao. A presto.